What's up guys and welcome to a new video. This video is going to be in English because I just felt like it, okay? I just feel like making this video in English about my front bumper, my dry carbon front bumper. I don't think many people in Germany are going to put this dry carbon front bumper on their M4 or M3. It's the same bumper. And so why should I make this video in German, you know? No one in Germany is going to buy this bumper. And maybe a few English viewers are going to see this and maybe I have then a little American audience. I don't know. But first to my car. This is a F82 M4. You can also put this front bumper on an M3. My colleague bought it for an M3 and he gave it to me and I'm just putting it on an M4. It's the same front bumper. This is going to be a full carbon car. I'm going to make this one in carbon, the bumper here in carbon, the doors are going to be full carbon, the fenders, I think, and the hood. It's going to be all in dry carbon. You have to be careful when you buy this front bumper because they're different ones. If you go to Alibaba and buy the cheapest one, I think it's wet carbon. If you buy the cheapest dry carbon one, it's not the same. And I have to say, my friend said, bro, get this one, this is more expensive, but the quality is very good and everything. And he was right. I think the quality is pretty great. I can show you, we didn't manage to make it fit like perfect, but we could do it because I'm thinking of new headlights. Let's start with this. Then we have to take it off again to put on these caps. So I thought, bro, just put it on there. We don't have to make it perfect yet. And I'm getting new fenders and new hood. So when everything arrives and we put it on together, it should be, you know, a nice fit with the carbon parts. I don't care for the parts right now. So let me show you how it sits. Here, it's not that great. You can come here. If you come really close, then you can see here's a gap right there. But I had an accident and this was damaged. So I think this one is not that like original, you know? We just pulled it a little bit out, so waiting for the new fenders. And here, it's a little better. You can see, it's not better. It's like already perfect. I know it looks kind of weird because this is in gloss and this is in matte, but it looks okay. So the fitment with the hood, and this dry carbon is very hard, so you can't like stretch it like a wet carbon thing. It's very hard. You can't just put it a little down or up. Hood sits pretty good, but here, if you come closer, maybe you can see it's very high, but it's our fault because we are going to make it sit better. If I open the hood, you can see here under this one, there's like another round from this. So if we take that one out, then we can push it a little bit more down. But doesn't make sense yet because maybe when we get the new hood, it sits good. You know what I mean? So we're just going to wait for the new hood. But all in one, you have also your beep, 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 beep by parking. You can make the sensors for the 360 camera. You can make your washing thing for your headlights. You can all use it like original. And this one right here, it's metal. So it's not, it's like from a barbecue, the metal. I swear, I think it's the same. It looks also the same. And it's not like the plastic one, an original. I really do like it because I didn't see it much by other cars. And the only issue with this front bumper is, if you come here, you can show, the car looks pretty high. When I had my original front bumper with a M Performance lip, it was very low. And now it looks pretty high. So I have to go a little more down. Wait a second, I'm receiving a call. Huh? Hello?
Hey, this is yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good, just.
It was my homosexual friend, I'm sorry. But all in one, I think it's very good. I didn't see this on many cars. I didn't even see the bumper in America. I swear, I didn't even see it in America. So I just had it from a friend. I'm very happy with it and I can just recommend it to you. It's also perfect sitting with these ones. You can just fit them like it's perfect. You have no issues. Yeah, what do you think about it? Do you like the carbon? I also do really like it. So that's it with the video. My friend is coming here and if you want more English videos, just comment it. I think that's a pretty short video, but I just wanted to try and see the feedback, you know. Maybe you guys like it and see you in the next video. Also, what I have to say, don't worry, I didn't make holes in here. It's a magnetic. In Germany, we're not allowed to drive without a front license. Thank you for watching, guys.